Hello friends, welcome to Pristine Tech School channel. Guys, today topic is file handling in PHP. Friend, in my previous video, I explained you what is PHP file handling and these three file handling functions: fopen, fwrite and fread. Friends, if you want to learn this, you can find that video on our channel or previous videos. Link is mentioned in the description below. Blog link is also in the description. Guys, I very frequently upload videos on various technologies. I also create videos considering the interview questions in mind. If you have any particular topic on which you want me to create detailed video, let me know in the comment section below. So friends, subscribe the channel and press the little bell icon. Now friends, let's start with part 2 video. In part 2 video, we will discuss append function, unlink function and close function. Let's start with this video. First is append function. PHP file handling concept have another useful feature, that's a append to file. If you will use a mode, that's a mode. A mode is a append. In my previous video, I explained you A is for append the file. It will add new data to your file and also it will not erase the old data. Let's understand it with an example. File. First of all, we have to open a file. File is a new file.txt. We created this file in my previous video. And the mode is A. A is for append. Next is fwrite function. $file and the string is let's suppose I'm using a hi. Save it. First of all, we have to refresh my file handling.php file. See, this is a file handling.php file. First of all, I have to refresh this file and now open this file, new_file.txt. See the output. In my previous video, our last output is hello world and the new is hi. So it will add new data to your file and also it will not erase the old data. This is the append function. Now we have a next function is unlink function. Unlink function is for delete a file. In file handling, the PHP unlink function is used to delete any file. It is similar to Unix C unlink function. In case file is not deleted, then PHP unlink generates a e-warning level. If the file is deleted, then it will returns a true, otherwise false. And the syntax of this function is unlink first is file name and the content. Let's start with example. First of all, we have to open a file. Here mode is write. Now I'm using file.txt. C. The file is deleted. Object not found. Error. So this is a unlink function. Now next function is fclose. The PHP fclose function is used to close an open file pointer after making changes to the append file. It is important to close it with the fclose function. Let's start with example. First of all, we have to create a file. In read mode, save it. It's giving me an error. Let's find out an error. Now refresh it. Now see, file is created again. Open this file. This is blank. Now here we will use fclose $file. Save it. First of all, refresh your first file, then refresh your second file. Now your file is closed. This is a fclose function. Now friends, I hope you will like these both tutorials, part 1 and part 2. Friends, if you have any follow-up question, then let me know in the comment section below. We will coming soon with our next exciting parts. If you friends have liked our tutorial, then please don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe the channel, and also press the little bell icon so that you get notified. Thank you. Happy learning.